Hey friends, this week's article of the week is about how we can overcome this pandemic. Talks about how we've overcame ones in the past. So you are going to start off with watching this video by the amazing, unbelievably, incredibly smart Bill Gates. And this is so worth watching. You really need to watch this. After that, you know the typical read, annotate the article. And I did something a little different for our Google form this week. So I just want to go over that with you. I'm going to have you do what's technically called a text render. So what you're going to do is, as you go through and read the article, you're already looking for the main idea, keywords, phrases. So what I'm going to have you do is pick one word from the article that you think is the most important word, and tell me why. So for an example, you might say, I chose the word pandemic because, and explain your thinking. After that, you're going to pick a phrase. And hopefully these are things that you've already annotated. So you're really not doing a whole lot more other than you're explaining your thinking here. So remember that a phrase is a piece of a sentence. It's not an entire sentence. And you can use quotation marks around your phrase. You may have to use some ellipses because you're cutting out pieces, so dot, dot, dot. And the last thing you'll do is choose a sentence that you think is the most important sentence of the article. This is it. This tells what it's all about. And tell me why. I chose this sentence because. That's you explaining your thinking. And last but not least, now that you've done the hard work, you're going to actually write your summary. Your summary is going to be easy because you already have a word, a phrase, and a sentence to use in it. And you're going to use those three things in it. So basically, you're going to start out with a topic sentence. This article was about, or the main idea of this article was, and then somehow incorporate your word, phrase, and sentence into your summary. It should probably be 5-ish sentences long. And remember, when you write your summaries, you focus on the main idea, key words and phrases, and if you need to even think about like the who, what, where, when, why, how, you can do that. Summaries are just restating information. There's no personal opinions here. So this is what the article was about. This is the main idea, and so on. Good luck.